Welcome to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, your data safety and realism watchdog, the one who always asks, is this AI progress? Or is this how we lose control of our tools?
And I'm Joshua, your tech-happy co-pilot, proudly believing that AI makes everything cooler. Today we're diving into a new AI model that learned to design 3D objects by actually using CAD tools.
Yes, and here's where my eyebrow goes up. We're not just talking about an AI that draws something. This model can sketch an idea and then, step by step, manipulate CAD software to create the matching 3D object. That's a level of autonomy I'm not ready to hand over.
But that's what makes it brilliant. It's not just copying data. It learned from a dataset called VideoCAD, which contains videos of humans designing objects. The model watches, understands the workflow, and then recreates the process on its own.
Understanding the workflow is impressive, but also concerning. If AI becomes great at complex design tasks, what happens to human designers? And what if it misunderstands the instructions? One wrong move in CAD can create a domino effect of errors.
True, but think of the upside. Faster prototyping, fewer manual steps, and less repetitive modeling work. Designers could finally focus on creativity while the AI handles the tedious technical adjustments.
Provided it listens, provided it doesn't produce a handle floating in midair or a chair with legs pointing the wrong direction. CAD demands precision, and a mistake can cost time, money, and sanity.
That's fair, but early results show it's already generating usable 3D designs from just a sketch. And it does it by actually navigating menus, sliders, and tools the way a human would. That's a big step toward more intuitive design systems.
Intuitive, yes, but transparency matters. If the model is making fine-tuned decisions behind the scenes, designers need to know why it chose certain shapes or constraints. AI should not become a mysterious, overconfident intern.
An intern that works faster than everyone in the office. My takeaway, this could transform product design, making 3D creation easier, smarter, and way more accessible.
And mine, autonomy is exciting, but we need strong oversight, clear controls, and human judgment to ensure the model behaves safely in high-precision environments.
And that wraps today's Pente Spotlight. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, because the future of design is evolving fast, and we want you right here with us.
Stay thoughtful, stay cautious, and stay curious. Until next time, your next 3D idea might only need a sketch.